American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. And we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. We bought a lot of classic cars here and had to fix a lot of problems. Classic cars can be your biggest money pit or your best investment. The 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty with roadside assistance went out the window a long time ago with these cars. These cars do have older parts and they are going to break down. It's just part of owning an older car, and that's the reality. Whether you buy a car from an auction, another dealer, or American Dream Machines, there's a great deal of questions you should be asking before you buy the car.
This is a beautiful tuxedo black 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396. We've got a lot of nice chrome. This accents that black, wheelet moldings, of course all the SS emblems, your door handles, your mirrors, everything looks great. Chrome front bumpers in like new condition. The grille, great shape. Got your SS396 emblem like it should. Under the hood, of course, we've got a 69 date code 396 engine. We've got power steering, power brakes, so we've got all the goodies. Make it drive nice and be safe too. Most importantly, under the hood, other than all the nice chrome and the valve covers, the air cleaner, the big carburetor, and all the detail work, this little trim tag here is going to tell us that it was a Kansas-built car, and it has an L there on that trim tag. All the Chevelle guys will tell you that verifies this car as a true Super Sport. Just like it should have, it's got the SS 5-spoke Super Sport wheels on it, of course chrome rings, SS caps, brand new BF Goodrich Radial T tires, white letters that we put on, so there's no miles on them. They're in super shape and look great. Out back, you've got a really nice chrome rear bumper. All of your stainless trim is in great shape, SS396 emblems. Chrome tips on the dual exhaust. This sounds great and looks like it should. Inside, really nice black interior. Nice black carpet, cushion grip steering wheel. Has tach and gauges in the dash. Those are new. Center console with your Hurst shifter and white ball on top. Looks great. All of your SS trim on the dash as well. Factory bucket seats. This is the best part. Real Super Sport car. Big block under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt rear, all the goodies, all the power, all the fun. We have over 100 classic cars, muscle cars, and trucks in stock here at American Dream Machines. Check us out at americandreammachines.com or admcars.com. Feel free to give us a call.
I remember when I was a kid, hanging down at the Loop, snuck out of the house way past my bedtime, and I saw a jet black 1967 Street Beast. Red Stinger hood, red guts. That car peeled out around all 4 corners of that loop. All I could say is, damn! And that's why I started American Dream Machines. Welcome to American Dream Machines. Everybody wants a piece of the American dream. American Dream Machines is rock and roll and beautiful cars. It was Hendrix, Born to be Wild, and Heavy Metal Thunder. These were the designs of Harley Earl. a masterpiece grille. These are the cars that people dreamed about in the 50s, and they still dream about them today. True works of art on four wheels. Welcome to Car Heaven. The quality of our cars every year gets better and better, and this 4,000 square foot studio tells no lies. American Dream Machines was inspired by the fire-breathing big block designs of Duntop and Bill Mitchell. These were the baddest cars in 1967. It's not all about the numbers. If we can get 500, 600, 700 horsepower in one of these street beasts, it's a whole lot of fun. At American Dream Machines, we've purchased thousands of cars over the years, and we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. Our mechanics and restoration staff here are the dream team, and they get 200 cars a year ready for our customers.
Yes, I love that.
American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. We have beautiful cars here, and you should own one. So you want to drive the Buick in the back? Just living the dream.